moving on, we're going to be doing the prone leg curl. This is a hamstring curl machine. Isolates our back of our leg only. It is very underutilized, okay? This machine is awesome in helping prevent any ACL injuries because a lot of times people are always working the front side of their leg, but not really working the back side. So this is really helping to isolate just that exercise for that muscle. A couple adjustments that we have here. We have our calf pad, okay? We want to make sure that that is up just at the base of our calf, so when we curl up, that's where it's resting. This is also the height where I'm starting, so I don't want to put it too high. If I put it too high, I'm shortening my range of motion, okay? I want to lower it down so I can get full range of motion. From there, again, my weight, I'm going to adjust it to where I need it to be. If I need to go up a little bit higher, I can always add my donuts. Then, I'm going to be laying down on the pad. I'm belly down. Okay, this pad is for my forearms, grip for my hands. From there, I want to keep my head down, looking down at this post. And from there, I'm going to bring my legs, my heels up to my glutes. Okay? And then I'm going to pause and slowly lower it back down. This is also a great machine where I can isolate single leg. Working one leg at a time. Great for rehab. So that way if you have any discrepancies, you can build up that weaker leg.